My new vehicle is gonna blow your socks off. I call it the TROC. Not only can this big rig nippy by in a New York minute, but it's also really fast. Allow me. What the? Oh, silly me. I forgot to fill it with fuel. No problem though. It's as easy as... Okay, here. Now that we're all fueled up, you may be wondering how fast this vehicle really can go. Well, let me show you. But first we have to start on a downhill slope. Okay, now that we're on a downhill slope, we just ease on the pedal and we should be... Point A to B, baby.